Hello everyone, this is Sujay Datta. Today we will look at a slightly different version of time and work question where people are working on alternate days. Okay. So it says A and B can do the work in 20 and 10 days respectively. They work on alternate days. It's not mentioned who comes to work on the first day and who comes to work on the next. But you have to figure out the least number of days in which it can be completed. So the process does not change much. So we'll start with the same steps. We'll define the work to be the LCM of 20 and 10. So that is 20 units only. And then the rates. For A it would be 20 divided by 20, so that is 1 unit per day, and for B it would be 20 divided by 10 because B is doing it in 10 days, so that is 2 units per day. Now what we have to do is take two cases. Case 1, on day 1, day 2, day 3, the pattern is A followed by B, then A, then B, and so on. So in that case, first day 1 unit is done, then 2 units, then 1 unit, then 2 units. So it is always going in blocks of 2 days, okay. The pattern is going in blocks of 2 days. So we'll have to stick to that pattern of blocks of 2 days, okay. So every 2 days you are doing 3 units. Now unfortunately 20 is not a multiple of 3. So what we have to do is get it to the closest possible multiple of 3, closest to 20, okay. Multiple of 3, that is closest to 20, so 18. So if I think of 18 units, that means I have taken 6 such blocks of 3 units. So that means I would have taken 12 days. So on the 12th day, if it goes on like this, on the 12th day it must be B who is working because B appears on the even number of days. And then on the 13th day A will come to work and he will do 1 unit, okay, because that's his rate. That will not complete the work because only 19 units would be done. So on the 14th day B will have to come again and B will have to do only 1 unit of work instead of his regular 2 units. So he is going to take half a day. So the time taken here is 13 full but half of a day, 13 and a half days. So this is how you have to think of questions when you have alternate days involved. Now obviously since the rates were 1 and 2 and B is the faster guy, to complete the job faster we should start with the faster guy, right. So if I do case 2 with day 1 being B, this should come out to be, this should be finished earlier than 13 and a half, okay. So let us check. So it's 2 and 1 this time, so it's still those 2 days and it's still 3 units. So again we will do the same. For 18 units it would take 12 days. On the 12th day it would be A's turn this time, and therefore on the 13th day B will come and will complete the 2 units that he normally does, and that will be the end of the work. So it is exactly 13 days. So the question was the least number of days, so that is your answer. I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.